What's going on, guys? You might be familiar with the Ram. We currently have a blown trans. Don't know why, don't know what happened to it. But the engine, she's running pretty good. But the oil change light came on, my apologies.
So we're gonna change it with some cereal.
Whole milk.
We're gonna eat breakfast with this truck.
I like Cheerios, not sponsored. But I like Cheerios in the morning, very good. And I think the Ram will like Cheerios in the morning as well.
So we're gonna see what happens.
Yeah. That's not that hot. Can I have a rag, Kale? Looks pretty good. Looks pretty dark. But
It's gonna look even better.
yeah. Yeah, you see how dark it is? We're gonna take some milk and try and balance it out to get that nice brown that oil should be.
All right, go ahead. You gotta get some milk in there.
Oh yeah.
Fuck, that was good. That's pretty good, actually.
All right, so we're filling it up with some Cheerios.
Trying to.
Yep. There we go.
I don't think we're gonna be able to fill it up with Cheerios.
We can put a load in there. We'll give it a little. Where's the rest of them? Oh, if we're gonna put them in there dry, it might work better.
Hold on, I gotta wash her throat down. There you go.
All right.
Put this in here.
All right, so we gotta put about a quart. I put about a gallon and a quarter in there.
I'm pouring milk into an engine. The Cheerios were good.
Sounds like it's liking it right
It
now.
is. She's drinking it up.
Oh, man.
I hope it builds oil pressure.
I don't think it's going to.
It's gonna blow up so fast.
She's not drinking it so fast anymore.
I think it's more my funnel.
Oh, yeah, don't blame that. Yeah, we still got another quarter of that thing to go down there. Oh, my God. We're not even halfway through the first gallon.
I think it's.
You put the drain plug back in, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we got the whole milk, you know, it's got the same viscosity as
Oil, pretty much.
OW20, so. Or isn't.
Oh, my God.
All right, we got to get to the safe spot here. Don't overfill. It says it right on the dipstick.
Yeah, if you overfill with milk, bad things happen.
It really doesn't like the milk. I can't even get the dipstick to go back in.
Smells like Cheerios.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, my damn.
Why is this dipstick so hard to put in? That's what she said.
It's a one-time use.
What's this dipstick?
Oops. There's still a lot of oil in there.
We're also over full.
Yeah, that's all right.
So we have a little bit extra milk, and you know I run on milk. I'm addicted to that stuff. So I figured if I can run on milk, so can the Ram.
Put Cheerios in here too.
Oh, hold on. Hold on, I'm struggling here. Oh, hold on. All right. I don't know if you guys can hear it on camera, but we can hear it hitting the gasoline in here. That's probably good, right?
Yeah, I get it somewhere. Yeah, that's about good.
Gotta get in here for a precision pour.
That should be good.
Just one more.
That should be.
breakfast with my truck.
Yeah, you know, you have a good breakfast, you gotta treat your truck to a good breakfast.
All right.
My prediction is that when we started, we're putting it right to the floor. I don't think it's gonna make it 30 seconds.
I'm saying she's lasting a while.
All right, guys, milk in the oil, some Cheerios. I'm gonna start it and just put my foot to the floor. There she goes. Wow, it smells horrible. Here, let me see if she'll turn over.
I think she served
All right, guys, this thing just blew up like maybe
30 seconds.
30
ago.
seconds ago. We're gonna drain the milk out of it, see what it looks like. Should we try and start without any oil?
Yeah, if you might roll over better.
This is gonna be really hot, so I'm gonna try it. I'm just gonna let it drop into the pan.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to not get in my face.
This is gonna be really hot. Ooh, milk. Oh yeah, it's hot. Wow, look at that!
Look at that!
Wow, it smells. I can't even describe the smell.
Oh wow!
It is gross.
She's steaming.
She is steamy. It's like a sauna.
Oh my god, it's like solid. It's fall. Oh. Dude, it reeks. It smells so bad.
Smell it.
It's bad.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Thank you for watching. We plan on doing more of this. We want to get different vehicles, try different things. This truck, we landed off a marketplace. If you guys have any marketplace finds, send them our way. We're looking to maybe get a diesel next week, but I'm not going to say, that's all I'm saying. I'm not going to tease you guys with too much. But thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe.